Alright, this is Warren with Westcott. We're going to show you how to disassemble the plug on top of your Tokico shock. This comes with a lot of the ABS systems. So first thing we're going to do is remove this 12 millimeter bolt. I've already loosened it for the video here. So remove the bolt. Now hang it up on there. So there's a little zip tie that's kind of holding us back.
Just gonna pull that thing off there. It slides off.
So underneath here, you release that little tab. It allows you to pull the connector off of the bracket. Now you have each one of these little clips. There's like, let's see, we got all these on this side and all of them on this side. So we just start releasing one at a time. The clips. Sometimes they'll pop back. Okay. Now that we got the housing separated, so on this plug, now to release this guy, I'm gonna push our there we go. So sometimes when you disconnect it, this little collar will come off of here. All you really got to do is stick your flat blade underneath there and release that collar. But it came apart the easier way that time. So now you're ready to remove the shock from the vehicle, just like that. Thanks for watching. All right, we're going to show you how to remove the collar on your Tokico shock. So this is the one with the wire. So first thing, as always, you want to mark put a line on your top cap there so you know where to put it. And we like to put a line straight off of the end of the spring on the bottom there so you can line up your new collar. So we'll take our spring compressors, throw them on. Pretty light tension. So we got to break that nut loose. There we go. Get it broke loose. You get it pretty far without the tension. Don't take it all the way off. Okay, get it to about that point. And then we can tighten up our spring compressors the rest of the way. Oh my God. the rest of the way. Nut just slides right over the wire like that. And then complete with your disassembly. Just like that.